Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Kool Zone. I want to first off say thank you for taking the time to check out this video, and I truly appreciate it. And again, if you like what you see at the end of this video, please do subscribe to the Kool Zone. There will be so much more to come, and all types of funness is going to come out of it also. Alright, so let's get right to this video. So today we are going to be making a chicken waffle burger with bacon. And let me tell you something, folks, it is going to be amazing. So we're just going to sprinkle just a little seasoning on this baby right here, back and front, just a little bit.
I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Make me feel so great, make me feel so great, yeah. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Put them diamonds in my chain, won't take the pain away. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Make me feel so great, make me feel so great, yeah. At the bottom of the barrel, the apparel seems
Alrighty, next we are going to start on these burgers. Get these burgers nice and ready for us. Alright, seems like enough.
I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. The flash from the bright lights and cars, high. These things make you feel good to have them. And these things are like women, there's always one somewhere. Better keep your eyes on the prize and focus on the rise of the skies. Cause the clock ticking, time don't rewind. I stay in the cockpit with my eyes open wide. Cause I can't take none of this when it's time for me to die. I thank God I'm alive, I resurrected myself musically so you can see that I arrived. I just want to be a superstar.
And with these turkey burgers, we're just doing like a medium heat. And we're just flipping them over every 5 minutes. You know, everybody's preference is different, but as for me, I'm doing every 5 minutes. Alright, and next we are going to do our favorite part, the bacon. We is going to put that baby right up in there. Like I tell everybody, don't be afraid of the bacon. Be one with the bacon, and it will be one with you. Alright, there we go. Let's let that sit for a few, and we will flip those babies over.
I let you hear the important shit. I had a rough path, my tears unsupported this. It's not a rough draft, one shot, one chance. But everybody want the finer things, and I just want to be a superstar. See, I just want to drop the top off, and I just want to ball real hard. But it won't mean shit when I'm gone. But I just want to be a superstar, yeah. I just want to drop a
Alright, as you can see, we have everything on deck, and everything looks amazing. Alright, folks, it's time for the building process. Let's stack this baby up. Stay tuned.
I just want to be a superstar. I want to be a superstar. I just want to be a superstar. I want to be a superstar. I just want to drive a fancy car. And I just want to drive a fancy car. I just want to drive a fancy car. Drive a fancy car. Superstar. Superstar. Fancy car. Fancy car. Superstar. Fancy cars. Oh my God. 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 Can't take it with you when you leave. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Make me feel so great, make me feel so great, yeah. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Put them diamonds in my chain won't take the pain away. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Make me feel so great, make me feel so great, yeah. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah.